Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be bleaching the wig knots and styling it from looking puffy and frizzy to elegant and curly. The hair I will be using is 22 inches long and the lace is 5x5. So the wig I'm going to be using in this video is from UNice hair, and the hair is about 22 inches long and the lace is 5x5. So these are the materials that you will need when bleaching the knots. These materials will come very handy. To start off, you will have the 40 developer, the lighting powder, the purple shampoo, and also the mixing bowl to mix the ingredients together. And some gloves because it might get messy. So you're just gonna put in an amount of the lighting powder, just enough for it to cover the lace. Since my lace is 5x5, I'm not gonna put too much. So I'm just gonna go in with the 40 developer to add on to the mix. Now, pause 1 second. I am already used to using the 40 developer. If you are bleaching the knots for the first time, I recommend that you use the 30 developer only because the 40 developer does bleach a lot more faster and can turn darker than orange if you leave it in for too long. So I'm just gonna mix my products together. I have no idea how much developer I'm putting into it. I'm just eyeballing it just to get that like soft, chunky look. You don't want it too chunky or too dry, and you don't want it too wet just so it doesn't bleed onto the hair on the lace. You'll see what I'm talking about once we start putting the bleach on the lace. So this is like the finished product when you mix it together. See how it's not falling off the brush? So it's gonna be perfect when we start putting it on the lace. It's not going to get on the hair and it's not gonna bleach the hair. It's just gonna sit on the lace for the knots to bleach. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on top of the mannequin head, which I got from Amazon. Along with the order, I got these small little pins to put on the lace so that the hair doesn't move all over the place. There is nothing more annoying than when I'm styling the hair and the hair just moves back and forth. The pins really help to keep it in place. I'm going to be using the rat tail comb to comb out the hair. When the order came in, the curls were really stiff. So I'm just going to comb it out to get the hair a little bit more softer. So I actually found this method on TikTok and it's a lot more better than me holding the wig and applying the bleach onto the lace. If you are doing this for the first time, I highly recommend doing this method only because it's not that messy and it's a lot more easier to apply the bleach on top of the knots. So I'm just going to go ahead and add the bleach onto the lace, and notice how it's not too dry and it's not too watery. If it is watery, just add a little bit more of the lighting powder. When adding the bleach onto the lace, you want to be careful that you don't brush it on the lace, but you slowly pat it in. If you were to brush the bleach onto the lace, then the bleach will go through the lace and also start coloring the hair, which we do not want. So once I'm finished putting the bleach onto the lace, I'm going to be putting 10 minutes on the clock in order for the lace to color. So after the 10 minutes is up, I went ahead and washed off the bleach from the lace. And as you can see, it looks a little bit orange, which it's not a bad thing because we're going to be using the purple shampoo to get it to stop developing. So after rinsing out the purple shampoo, I did wash the wig with the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus shampoo. I do recommend that you wash your wigs before wearing it. So after washing the hair, I go in with the Olive Oil Moisturizing Shine Serum. I love this serum. It keeps all of my wigs hydrated and moisturized. So when plucking the hair, I usually go from the left side to right side and make my way around. I split the hair and go within the inside so that it gets a natural look. I don't do it in one spot. I usually go around. Sorry, you guys can't see it. I do the same thing on the right side, just splitting the hair and plucking within the inside and not so much in the front. This might seem like a lot of hair taken out from all of the plucking, but compared to my other wigs, it's actually not that bad. But this is the final result from plucking the hair. I do leave the wig out overnight for it to dry, just because if I do blow dry it, it's going to become a lot more dry and frizzy. So overnight, I just keep it on the mannequin head. So the next day, I just put the wig on my head to see where I want my edges to be. I take the hot comb that I got from Amazon and flatten out the area and get the edges to stay where it's supposed to be, or like make sure it obeys its area. I don't know how to call it. I don't know how to explain it. I just need the edges to stay intact and the hair to separate itself from the edges. So I did decide to pluck a little more down the middle so that if I did decide to wear it without a parting, it would still look natural. So before wearing the wig out, I'm just gonna make it come alive a little. I'm gonna be doing my basic wet hair look. I'm gonna apply a little bit of water and just brush it out with a rat tail comb. And of course, I'm going to be moisturizing the hair with the olive oil moisturizing serum. This will enhance the curls and give it that nice shine. So this is the final look for the wig. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to show you how I installed it, and I will see you guys in the next video.